Put my blinkers on because the visibility is really low. There's so much of snow coming from the lake. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is like complete whiteout. Gotta get out of here. This is not good for driving at all. Yeah, not a good place to be at. Even with the blinkers and all that, like, you never know, like if somebody comes up and they can't see, anything can happen. Oh jeez. This is crazy. I gotta get out of here as soon as possible. So I'm in a town called Ramara, and it's pretty much a whiteout. Just saw like another car, another truck a few minutes back. This is not drivable. I think I'm gonna pull over and do a map check, a weather check, and then figure out whether I should just pull over and or just go back, because this is bad. This is extremely bad. It's not drivable at all. And this is Highway 11 today. Taking off again on Highway 11, heading north.